Question asked in the CET exam. Question asked in the CET exam. What is the simplest form of this particular part? Okay, what is the simplest part of this? So what to do? What we can do is we can take the LCM. So I can write this in the form like this, right? I can write this in the form tan A into tan A is tan squared A plus 1 plus secant A the whole square, whole divided by 1 plus secant A into tan A, 1 plus secant A into tan A. So what is this? We'll get tan squared A plus tan squared A can be, okay, tan squared A, we can write tan squared A can be written as, see here, 1 plus tan squared A is equal to secant squared A, right? 1 plus tan squared A is equal to secant squared A. So tan squared A can be written as secant squared A minus 1 plus 1 plus secant A the whole square divided by 1 plus secant A into tan A, 1 plus secant A into tan A. So I can say this can be secant squared A minus 1, in that I can take out 1 plus secant A out. So I'll be left with the secant A minus 1 plus 1 plus secant A, correct? 1 plus secant A whole divided by 1 plus secant A, of which 1 plus secant A will get cancelled, and we are left with into tan A, correct? Minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled here. So your answer to the question will be 2 times secant A divided by, what is it? Divided by tan A. So your answer to the question 2, secant A can be written as 1 divided by cos A whole divided by sin A divided by cos A. So your cos A will get cancelled. You are left with 2 divided by sin A. 2 divided by sin A can be written as 2 times cosecant A. And this will be the answer to the question. Simple CET question.